In this video, we show you how you can install the Quantdroid Option Analyzer Bridge application onto a Windows operating system. Here you can see a Windows started on a cloud instance. We installed the latest Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome and Firefox browsers in the latest stable Interactive Brokers TWS application. Let's start the TWS application. Before login, we have to set the time zone. In the More Options section, we have to specify the UTC time zone to let the trading view work properly. We log into the demo account here for this demonstration, though here a user account is needed that has live data subscription for US options market at least. We have to turn on the API communication for TWS in the Configure menu. Let's go to the API and Settings section. Here we need to enable the ActiveX and Socket Clients checkbox, and it is advised to turn on the Read-Only API checkbox as well, if you do not want to place orders. In the upcoming videos we will place some, so we keep it unchecked. Let's specify the port to 7496. It is advised to have the localhost only connections turned on to keep the maximum security for TWS. Let's open the Microsoft Edge to download our application. Let's go to the Quantdroid.com and click on the tryout in the top right corner to get into the web application. After landing on the Getting Started page, we have to navigate to the Settings in the Bridge Install section. From the Installation Instructions section, let's download the proper zip file for our operating system. Let's unzip the file. Let's start with the start.bat file. The modern browser only allows HTTPS communication, therefore we created a so-called self-signed certificate that we have to explicitly teach the browser, since it is not signed by a big authority, but by us. To do this we provide a Teach Cert button. Let's press it. We have to click on the Advanced button and click on the Continue to localhost in the bottom. Let's refresh again, and we get the green sign. And as you will see, the lock icon beside the location bar turned red saying, "Not secure." This has nothing to do with security here, since the communication that is ensured by this certificate only happens on your local host, so in the local computer. And it is not related to the communication between Quantdroid.com and your browser that's signed and secured by Amazon. Let's check the same in Firefox. In Firefox we have to click on the Advanced button and click on the Accept in the bottom. Let's refresh again, and we get the green sign. Let's check the same in Google Chrome. We have to click on the Advanced button and click on the Proceed to localhost in the bottom. Let's refresh again, and we get the green sign. Now you may go to the menu in the top left corner and explore some dashboards. Thank you for watching this video.